Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down, all the way down actually, to find the system and update option with the gear icon. Let's tap. Then we have to tap on language and region, and here tap on edit. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on this plus icon next to it. Now let's tap on yes. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added right here, which will probably occur after changing the language, you can quickly reorder the languages in order to change them. So for example, let's pretend I wish to set English again. So just tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Then let's tap on it to confirm, and as you can see, we've got English applied. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit, and here in this section we have to tap on this minus icon next to the language we wish to remove. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.